Good morning, my little helper. Good morning, Baba.
Is the bucket full?
Nearly. Here you go.
Rahim,
Rahim, wait. Hello, little ones. Look at you all grown up. We missed you.
welcome Rahim.
You're here.
We were waiting. I brought fresh milk.
God bless you.
God bless you, Rahim. Your honesty brings such joy.
Thank you, Amma. I'm honored to help.
Help, please. I fell. Oh, dear. We'll help you, little one.
You're okay, little one. It's just a bit of mud.
Thank you, Rahim.
No need to thank me. Come on, let's get you home. You're safe now.
My son. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you, Rahim.
You are our village's pride, Dudwala. Thank you, everyone. Your trust means everything to me.